and lots of earning potential to look at this week. Okay, lots of economic numbers coming out this week. Some pretty decent earnings coming out. Costco, Dick's Sporting Goods, Lulu, Momo, Palo Alto Network. Cecilia, did I mention Ulta? Which I know you did about 15 minutes ago. I think Cecilia can help us with that one. So we're going to be off to a busy start here. Let me, if you guys don't have any questions on any recaps of any of our signals, any of our positions, let's move right into something here. So here you can see Amazon. Whoop. Here's the current Amazon market, trading, $1.15, $1.20-ish, and we'll benefit two ways here. A, by the stock obviously still going up since we're short a put spread. And like I said earlier, time because we're short premium. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put in my order for Amazon. Let me do that.